Here we're going to go over the installation of the new JLT intake for your 2009 to 2018 5.7 Dodge Ram Hemi truck. Tools needed are just going to be a 5/16 nut driver or regular screwdriver and a 13mm wrench. First thing we're going to do is remove the intake tube by loosening up the clamp at the throttle body. Go ahead and unplug your inlet air temp sensor. Squeeze and pull. Undo the clamps around the top of the airbox. Separate the PCV hose. Pull the stock air filter out. To remove the lower air box, you're simply going to pull up. You can go ahead and remove the engine cover, also by just lifting up. Need to remove the factory PCV line. Here we need to remove the factory snorkel. That's going to bring the fresh air in. Push from the inside. And you're going to snap that into the JLT airbox. Okay, in preparation for installing the airbox, I'm going to loosen up this 13mm bolt right here and completely remove this 13mm bolt right here. You can see on the heat shield there's a hole in the bottom, and that's going to slide over this location pin on the far bottom of the wheel well. This tab in the heat shield is going to go behind the tray. This one is going to go on the inside where the bolt goes through it. So pry it out and slide it in. At this point, we need to install the PCV connection supplied with the kit. Plug it into the rubber connection right here behind this oil fill and run it over towards the AC lines here. Now we need to install the engine cover. There's two grommets in the back. They're going to slide into these two pieces here, are going to slide into there. At this point, we can put the reducer and clamps on the end of the tube, install it into the airbox, down onto the throttle body. Go ahead and snug that clamp up. On the stock air box, you're going to need to remove the inlet air temp sensor. You're going to turn that counterclockwise and pull that out. We don't need to use the rubber O-ring that's on here, but to save it and we don't lose it, just roll it back and then insert this in the grommet in the JLT. Give it a few back and forths. Go ahead and plug it in and it'll help you get a better grip on it. Now you can take your air filter, drop it down in the air box, and install it on the tube. Finger tight on the clamps. Last, take your 90-degree fitting, put a little oil, something a little slippery on the end of the fitting, and insert that in the grommet in the tube. Like that.